Z-Man, one more time. 4 chicken, 4 pork, right, big man? Thank you, thank you. Maddie, how long on 2 chicken?
Minute maybe.
And how about 4? Around there, right? Thank you. Maddie, you gotta move your hands a lot faster, bro. Ta 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 ta. There's a lot of orders, bro. Open. Again, shopping for 2. Let me know when you got 2, please. Thank you. Bam boom. Folks, you lucky dinner. Open. Open. Thank you. Maddie's elbowing, still elbowing people. Amazi. Is he still elbowing you too? Is he? He stopped elbowing you? Yo, shut the door. Thank you guys. Maddie's still shopping for 2. Still shopping for 2. Thank you. Again, open. Closing. Thank you. Two chicken, thank you. Can you bring them back to the safe for me, please? Thank you. That's me, thank you. Thank you. It's lovely. Shoot that in there as quickly as you possibly can. I have an order for you. Thank you. Man, I have a 2-stick French fry for you. This tag right here. Thank you very much. Thank you. How long on 8? How long on 8? A minute and a half on 8? That's amazing. Thank you. Those top 4 or 5 look already done, bro. Those guys up there already look done, man. Move your hands fast, Matt. Lovely boneless curry chicken, paratha, paratha. Those are done? Thank you, good job, guys, thank you. Ms. Lovely, once you got that order packed, I have another order ready for you whenever you are ready. Thank you, let me know, please, thank you. Yo, 5 minchi is good on that new fry, is he, man? It looks like it, yeah. And could be a better product too, man. How many you got there? How many you got there? 5? Thank you. If you have 5, I'll take the 1 by myself. Why not? Right now, bang bang and knock it out. Ready for the next order? Thank you, madam. Z. I'll tell you right now, Z. All I need is a 1 in safety right now. If you can hook me up with that. A nice one, yeah, a nice one in safety. It was lovely, thank you. And here's a pita for that. Thank you very much. Please enjoy. Thank you. Thank you, Mazi. Right on. Will you bring it right on for me? Thank you. That's perfect. Thank you, sir. Z. to answer your question, it's 2.5 darshki, bro. 2.5 darshki. It's lovely. When you are ready, I have another order ready for you. Thank you. I'm still shopping for 8, right, my guy? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Z. Thank you, madam. Make your way here, please. It's lovely in the holding cabinet. You can walk through, please. You'll find a 1-stick pita. Bring that out, please. Thank you.
Front door open.
I'll walk these for you. Go, go. Thank you. Good job, guys. H key. Z, ma'am, one more time. It was 2.5 dark, right? My bad, Z. It's not 2.5 dark. It's 3 dark. My bad. My bad. It's 3 dark. Sorry about that.
Front door open.
Maddie, how long on the 8 chicken? How long on the 8 chicken? You got them? One more, thank you. Excellent. When you have all of them, please put them in the 8 stick and walk with the 8 stick. Please finish it all the way. Thank you. I'll get that. I'll get that. No, no, inside, my friend. Inside. Thank you for calling Crazy Greek, Motors, Roti, and Greek and Trinilicious. How may I help you?